Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Poma Murmu and in this video I am going to take a day 12 of the spoken English challenge, and this video is little bit interesting and many of you are asking me about that how did I learn English, from where I did learn English. So in this video I am going to tell you about the most important part of the spoken English journey that you people should follow, and you will just apply in your life and you will just see a wonders and wonders of positive changes in your spoken English journey. So in this video I am going to tell three YouTube channel of the our YouTube applications that you can just see the videos and subtitle of those people, and just you can listen, and you will learn lots of words and sentences, that how they construct the sentences, and you will you will get a lots of word stocks. Just listen all those videos after 1 month. Okay, so the first YouTube channel is English Speeches. Yes, English Speeches is a YouTube channel that there are loads of great people and famous people used to come there, and they used to say about their life, about their stories, about their success, that how they get their success and how was their journey, and how they have suffered from their life, and what the thing that you should people will should not do, and you will get to know everything about him. And it means they are just saying all those things about their life, right? So this is the first channel, and the second channel is the TEDx Talks. Yes, you might have seen about the TEDx Talks. TEDx Talks is the channel that there are, in the same way the English Speeches channel, there are lots of people used to come there and their stories, life success, and there are lots of things that they used to share with people, and in the same way you have to listen carefully. And if you will see that there are lots of hard words, and they used to see means speak the English sentences in a correct time in the correct situation. So we will get to know about that how we can use those sentences in my correct situation, in my correct, with the correct pronunciation. Yes, when we will see those people and how they are pronouncing the word and how they are constructing the sentences by using those words, then we will similarly try to implement in our life, and we will just improve our English by using those words, right? So, and what you have to do is, there are lots of subtitles will be present on those videos, then you people have to just see that clearly on those words, and if you will find any kind of hard words, and if you're really eager to understand, if you really want to speak English fluently with a sort of time, and you will just be fluent in English with a less time, then you will go to the Chat GPT and Google and search that hard word, and tell the Chat GPT to translate it into the English, and just from then and from that time just use that hard word from in your spoken English journey. Whenever you are doing something, whenever you are like walking, drinking, any kind of thing that you are doing, just use that word in your mind and just imitate that word, right? Means whenever watching those videos, English Speeches or TEDx Talks channel, then follow them, how they are speaking, how they are how what type of gestures they are using, means how they are reacting, means what type of movements they are using. So all those gestures, all those movements are also necessary while speaking English, right? Because it helps us to increase our personality, so that helps us to give us confidence when we speak in front of the people, guys. So in the same way I am telling you do. And the third one is the Republic World. So means I have written this on the, like, as you can see, the one is TEDx, another one is English Speeches. I think you are, we see this is visible to you guys, and the third one is the Republic World. Yes, I know, I have only write down the keywords, means what is the name of this channel, guys. Yes, and the third one is at Republic World. The third one is very interesting, is very common, and many people know that Republic about, and the chief executive of the Republic is Goswami. What is the name of that Goswami? I don't know. The last title name of the person is Goswami. That Goswami is a very good speaker in English, guys. They used to speak English very fluently in English, and what he is means he speak very best, is the best speaker of our India, I think, because the way he say, the way he used to use the sentences in the correct situation in the correct time, and he used to say everything very correctly, guys. When you see him, when you will start to listen him, you will just learn lots of words, lots of vocabulary, and he is very confident, and he used to say all the words like, means he doesn't use any kind of American accent or British accent. He used to he used to say with Indian accent, and we people are beginner. Yes, still means you are beginner, I am beginner, and yes, I can speak English little much about of fluent, but I will not consider myself as intermediate or advanced level girl. I will still consider myself as a still I consider myself as a beginner level, and still today right now I used to see the Republic Day channels, means all the videos that comes, means this is a I would say this is a news channel, and you will see lots of words that how they are constructing, how he used to say everything, means I just love it, guys. Then you will just follow it, you will also love it, guys. And what you have to do is just and follow him, and whatever the hard word he is using, just go to the ChatGPT and what, find out and write down your notebook, and just imitate in your mind, keep it in your mind, and just use it in your daily life, and you will find that you are improve your English very soon. And what you have to do, but yes, sorry for the inconvenience, guys. Sorry for the interruptions. The sound is coming from my nearby house because the construction is going on. So that's why I have stopped that video for a minute. So I'm very sorry for, guys. So yes, I was talking about the Republic World, the Arnab Goswami. Okay, that Arnab Goswami is a chief, or like I would say this is a founder of the Republic World YouTube channel. So he is very good in speaking, right? Means he is very best speaker. Why I'm saying that? Because what means he has a key points, he used to use these key points, and he used to speak clearly. Whatever comes in his mind, just speaks out, just speak out. And the channel that I have told you, first one is English speeches, and second one is TEDx talks. All the famous people used to come from their home, and just they have decided earlier that that they have to tell in the video, into performance. But the Arnab Goswami is the person that he used to say whatever come in his mind, just he has a keyword in their what a podium, and he used to say everything whatever come in his mind, means like he is the Arnab Goswami's brain, and he is means he what it is his mouth, it is his mouth, and the brain of the Arnab Goswami's and is the mouth is just like this, stick together. Whatever come in his mind, everything comes out from this mouth. Okay, but the English speeches and the TEDx talks that I have told you, the people have already come from their home, and all the means all the sentences, all the stories have been scripted. Everything is scripted, guys. So means yes, I'm accepting that little much amount of they have means little much amount of they have changes something during their speeches. I am accepting, but the Arnab Goswami's like speaking skills is like wow. So I will suggest you to follow these three, and you have to suggest you have to follow the third one, Arnab Goswami's Republic World channel. So this is the three things that I have to tell you. Then just you will see the result after a 1 month, because we know that listening is very important. Means when we are child, we don't know the Hindi word, means by learning means we don't have the grammar, we we didn't know about the Hindi grammar, and still we can speak Hindi without learning from a book or from anywhere else, but still we can speak Hindi because we have learned from the people. Because in every around our means the people of our society, people of our village, people of our city, everyone used to speak Hindi. So because of those people, we used to imitate those Hindi words and we used to use it our life. So it helps them, I mean it helps us to speak Hindi because we imitate them, we followed them, we listened them, and just what we have did, that we follow them, we means copies those words and set in our mind and we speaks out. And the same way we speak, and we have just improved our Hindi. In the same way, English is the language that we have to listen the English sentences, English videos, then we will imitate them, then there will be a time then we have a lots of words, lots of sentences in our mind, then we will speak out. Okay, so this is for today guys. Thank you for watching my videos, and please let me know in the comment section that is this helpful for you or not, or helpful for you or not. So that's for today guys. Bye bye. Thank you.